That one.
Up by Tom for me.
Here comes Hannah.
Oh man, Hannah, up on the top step.
Good job.
Goose.
You didn't bonk the buoy like I did.
All right, step on down from here. Thank you. I'm right over there. So how are you still a senior? Isn't it summer break? Or are you
I
going?
was a junior.
You were,
I'm going to
all right.
Here comes Lexus. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Alright, grab the bottom table.
Now you gotta work.
Oh, he's coming for you.
Hurry! 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 Hurry!
It's hard for you. Keep coming. Don't let him touch you. Keep
Hurry!
Keep coming.
He's got cooties. He's got cooties.
He's got AIDS.
Hurry!
Uh-oh.
Keep coming.
Am I there yet?
Pull!
You're not there yet.
You got a long way to go.
Don't let him catch up. Oh, he caught up to you. Now he's gonna pull you in.
Okay, I know Alexis doesn't want this on video.
Get up here. Step on it.
My clothes are funny.